Hello, I'm Crystal and thanks for joining me for ePrime. This year saw an extended 3-day Arts in the Park focusing on the visual arts. On Sunday, exhibitions, live performances, demonstrations, fashion, roundtable discussions filled the lawns of Devon House. Here are the highlights.
Some of the works from the Jamaica Biennial is in the Devon House, and because we're focusing on visual art, we wanted to ensure that persons had access to see it. Because we really wanted persons to be able to see the work coming out of our Jamaican artists and experience it. And of course, there may be a child or a youth who is able to view these works and get inspired to be an artist, because that's what Arts in the Park is about. A lot of the works that come out of our Jamaican artists and our Caribbean artists is about our history, and it's a part of our history that sometimes we hit the surface, but we don't really go delve into the depth of what our history has emerged into how we live now. And I think that a lot of the art from the Biennale, they explored that this year.
Arts in the Park, now in its 5th edition, provides young and emerging cultural practitioners the opportunity to interact with international and local experts. Style Week was closed over the weekend. On Saturday night, the International Mecca of Style event.
Style Week is about the experience of Kingston, Jamaica, right? That's really what it is. And so in thinking about what's going to be new about this year's staging of the International Mecca of Style, you want it fresh, you want it different. Took the runways to the skies, 6 incredible collections, one after the other, bam, bam, bam. And all these incredible models. It's really another step in promoting brand Jamaica, the fashion aesthetic, the fashion designers and the fashion culture to the world.
Then the blockbuster finale was an extravaganza which transformed the main streets of Kingston's business district into a gigantic runway. Fashionistas were out along with specially invited guests including buyers, international fashion press, government officials and diplomats. Just under the £2 million target has already been raised to support families of those killed and injured in the Manchester Arena attack in England. Manchester Evening News opened a GoFundMe account and superstar Ariana Grande shared the news and her fans responded. The star tweeted, "The compassion, kindness, love, strength and oneness that you've shown one another this past week is the exact opposite of the heinous intentions it must take to pull off something as evil as what happened." The singer also announced she will return to Manchester for her benefit concert One Love Manchester on June 4 to raise money for the victims and their families. She also thanked her fellow musicians and friends for reaching out to be part of what she described as our expression of love for Manchester. And that's it for ePrime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.